Flock Safety, based in Atlanta, Georgia, was founded in 2017 to eliminate crime using surveillance technology. They provide tools to law enforcement, businesses, and communities to monitor spaces and solve crimes. Flock Safety has grown significantly, securing new funding and innovating with new products. Their products include LPR cameras, AI-powered cameras, and gunshot detection systems. Soon, they will introduce automated first responder drones. These technologies form a comprehensive surveillance network to enhance public safety. Law enforcement and businesses use these tools to protect assets and investigate crimes. However, the widespread use of such tools raises privacy concerns. Flock Safety commits to ethical practices and data security. The public conversation about balancing safety with privacy rights will continue to evolve. The dialogue around these technologies is becoming increasingly important. The rapid expansion of such technologies changes how we think about safety and observation. This increased visibility brings both reassurance to some and concerns to others about the extent of surveillance in society. The collection and storage of vast amounts of data raise questions about individual privacy. How this data is managed, who has access to it, and for how long it is kept are critical issues. As the company grows, its presence becomes more visible in everyday life. Flock Safety recently raised $275 million in a new funding round led by Andreessen Horowitz, with participation from other prominent investors. This funding will be used to build a new manufacturing plant and invest in research and development to create more advanced safety technology. The company's valuation has soared to $7.5 billion, reflecting high growth and market potential. The total funding raised now exceeds $950 million, providing resources for aggressive expansion and technological development. This investment signals a broader trend of increasing investment in surveillance technologies. As more capital flows into this sector, we can expect to see more sophisticated and widespread surveillance systems. This raises important societal questions about the balance between security and privacy. The capabilities of these technologies are advancing quickly. Therefore, it is crucial to have ongoing discussions about how they are governed and used. The substantial financial backing of companies like Flock Safety means these technologies will become more integrated into our daily lives. This makes these conversations even more urgent for citizens and policymakers alike. The implications of this funding extend beyond just Flock Safety's internal growth. It supports their ambition to expand their reach and capabilities in the public safety sector. The company has clearly stated how it intends to use these funds. A significant portion will be allocated to building a new manufacturing plant, helping them produce more of their devices. Money will also be invested in research and development, or R&D. Flock Safety recently raised $275 million in a new funding round led by Andreessen Horowitz, with participation from other prominent investors. This funding will be used to build a new manufacturing plant and invest in research and development to create more advanced safety technology. The company's valuation has soared to $7.5 billion, reflecting high growth and market potential. The total funding raised now exceeds $950 million, providing resources for aggressive expansion and technological development. This investment signals a broader trend of increasing investment in surveillance technologies. As more capital flows into this sector, we can expect to see more sophisticated and widespread surveillance systems. This raises important societal questions about the balance between security and privacy. The capabilities of these technologies are advancing quickly. Therefore, it is crucial to have ongoing discussions about how they are governed and used. The substantial financial backing of companies like Flock Safety means these technologies will become more integrated into our daily lives. This makes these conversations even more urgent for citizens and policymakers alike. The implications of this funding extend beyond just Flock Safety's internal growth. It supports their ambition to expand their reach and capabilities in the public safety sector. The company has clearly stated how it intends to use these funds. A significant portion will be allocated to building a new manufacturing plant, helping them produce more of their devices. Money will also be invested in research and development, or R&D. Flock Safety is opening a new 100,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Georgia to enhance its production capabilities. This plant will help meet the growing demand for their surveillance devices. Producing goods domestically reduces reliance on overseas manufacturers, leading to more stable production and quicker delivery times. It also allows Flock Safety to closely oversee the quality of its products. This move aligns with a broader trend of companies securing their production processes. The new plant will create jobs in manufacturing, logistics, and related support roles, contributing to the local economy. Flock Safety already employs over 250 people in Georgia. This new plant will create even more jobs, likely in manufacturing, logistics, and related support roles. The company's choice of Georgia for this plant highlights the state's growing importance as a hub for technology and manufacturing. It is a significant investment in the local community, further solidifying Flock Safety's presence in its home state. Beyond the economic benefits, having a US-based manufacturing plant is crucial for a company in the security sector. It allows for greater oversight of the production of sensitive surveillance equipment. Customers, especially law enforcement agencies, may have greater confidence in products manufactured domestically. This control over the manufacturing process from start to finish is a key advantage. It enables Flock Safety to maintain high standards and respond quickly to any potential security concerns related to their hardware. Flock Safety plans to launch US-manufactured drones in 2025, expanding its surveillance capabilities into the airspace. These drones will serve as automated first responders, providing rapid aerial views of emergency situations. This initiative is supported by Flock Safety's acquisition of Aerodome, a company specializing in drones for first responders. The drones will be manufactured in the US, ensuring greater control over the production process and supply chain. These drones will integrate with Flock Safety's existing systems, providing a more complete picture of incidents for law enforcement. Drones offer mobility and an aerial perspective that fixed cameras cannot provide. They can be dispatched quickly to specific locations, offering real-time video feeds. While invaluable in emergencies, the use of drones raises new questions about privacy. The ability to deploy flying cameras amplifies discussions about where surveillance can occur and what data is collected. As these drones become operational in 2025, the policies governing their use will be extremely important to define and scrutinize carefully. This development shows Flock Safety's commitment to incorporating diverse technologies into its public safety platform. The move into drone technology will add another layer to the surveillance networks they are building. It represents an advancement in how quickly and comprehensively an area can be monitored. This acquisition brings valuable expertise and technology directly into Flock Safety. By integrating Aerodome's capabilities, Flock Safety is not starting from scratch. Flock Safety has unveiled the Nova platform, a sophisticated data intelligence system for law enforcement. Nova synthesizes data from various sources to provide a clearer understanding of ongoing situations. This capability is crucial in crime investigation and public safety management. The platform helps solve active crimes more effectively by analyzing large volumes of data quickly. Nova integrates data from Flock Safety's devices and other systems, identifying patterns and connections. For command staff, Nova offers a better overview of incidents and resource deployment. The goal is to transform raw data into actionable intelligence. Nova addresses the challenge of information silos by enabling better data integration. It helps investigators connect disparate pieces of information, providing a holistic view of events. The development of platforms like Nova highlights the increasing role of big data and AI in surveillance. These systems enhance law enforcement's ability to respond to crime but also require strong oversight. Ensuring the responsible and ethical use of these platforms is paramount to maintaining public trust. The accuracy of the data, the algorithms used for analysis, and the potential for bias are all important considerations. As these data intelligence platforms become more central to public safety, their responsible use is crucial. The Nova platform is designed to make the process of data analysis faster and more intuitive for users. Flock Safety emphasizes interoperability, ensuring different technology systems work together smoothly. The company is improving how its systems connect with those from other safety technology providers. This fosters a more unified and effective public safety ecosystem. Flock Safety offers no-cost data integrations to encourage wider participation. The goal is to eliminate information silos, enhancing the effectiveness of public safety tools. Better collaboration among technology providers creates a more powerful network for public safety. Seamless data flow can speed up response times and improve investigation accuracy. This approach focuses on the collective strength of an interconnected system. However, it also contributes to a more extensive surveillance network, raising data privacy and security concerns. Clear rules and robust safeguards are essential for accessing, using, and protecting combined data. The vision of a fully interoperable safety network requires careful consideration of ethical implications. The potential for misuse of such a powerful interconnected web of information is significant. Flock Safety's commitment to interoperability aims to break down barriers and foster a collaborative technological environment. This drive for interoperability is beneficial for efficiency and contributes to creating a more extensive surveillance network. The interconnectedness of systems can provide unprecedented insights but also magnifies concerns about data privacy and security. Flock Safety's financial performance demonstrates its rapid expansion and market acceptance. The company has achieved over $300 million in annual recurring revenue, a 70% year-over-year increase. This growth highlights the increasing demand for Flock Safety's surveillance technologies. The customer base includes over 4,800 law enforcement agencies and nearly 1,000 businesses. Enterprise businesses contribute about 30% of the company's total revenue. The widespread adoption of Flock Safety's technology shows a clear trend in addressing safety concerns. The reliance on these systems is growing, making Flock Safety a key player in modern policing and business security. This market penetration is a testament to their product effectiveness and sales strategy. As Flock Safety's network of cameras and sensors expands, so does the volume of data it collects and manages. The company's systems are becoming integral to the operations of its clients. This deep integration means that issues of data security, accuracy, and ethical use are more critical than ever. The trust placed in Flock Safety by thousands of organizations requires a steadfast commitment to responsible practices. The company's continued success will likely depend on its technological innovation and ability to maintain trust. The financial success is a key indicator of the company's growing influence in the public safety and security market. The company's ability to attract and retain talent is vital for its long-term success. Flock Safety's rapid growth is reflected in its workforce, currently employing around 1,300 people. A notable portion of this workforce is based in Georgia, contributing to the local economy and tech ecosystem. The growing team is essential for managing the company's expanding operations. Flock Safety plans to hire more staff, particularly in product development and engineering. These roles are crucial for driving innovation and enhancing their surveillance platforms. The company is also expanding its sales teams to reach more potential customers. This strategic hiring indicates further growth in demand for their products and services. Investing in human capital is a clear sign of their commitment to scaling up operations. The expansion of the workforce is a direct consequence of Flock Safety's market success. More law enforcement agencies and businesses adopting their technology means more people are needed to support these systems. Engineers, product managers, and sales staff are essential for interacting with a growing customer base. This increase in personnel ensures Flock Safety can meet client needs and pursue its technological roadmap. The company's ability to attract and retain talent is vital for its long-term success. The types of roles being hired contribute to the knowledge economy. The people behind the technology are as important as the technology itself in determining the company's future trajectory. Flock Safety is positioning itself for potential future developments, including becoming a publicly traded company. The recent addition of Brandon Simons as CFO is a preparatory move for an initial public offering. Simons' role involves strengthening the company's financial structures for public scrutiny. While no specific timeline is set, these actions suggest a serious consideration for a public listing. The mission to eliminate crime, as articulated by CEO Garrett Langley, remains central to Flock Safety's identity. This bold aim suggests a belief that technology can fundamentally alter public safety outcomes. The mission resonates with communities and law enforcement agencies seeking new solutions to crime. Investor confidence in Flock Safety's vision and business model remains strong. The return of previous institutional investors in the recent funding round signals robust partnerships and business traction. As Flock Safety looks to the future, it carries immense potential and significant responsibilities. The combination of advanced surveillance technology, substantial financial backing, and a clear mission positions the company for continued growth. The potential for a public listing could provide more resources to pursue its goals. The societal implications of its expanding surveillance network will continue to be a subject of public discussion. Balancing the mission to eliminate crime with privacy and civil liberties will be an ongoing challenge. This balance will be a key determinant of flock safety's long-term legacy in shaping safer, yet more observed communities.